How much money can I make on Taskrabbit? That might be the question you are wondering, you are asking when someone told you, hey, you should sign up for Taskrabbit if you are trying to make some extra money. Or maybe you are trying to change careers, you want to start your own handyman or moving business or yard work, landscaping business, or organizing, cleaning business. Well, Taskrabbit is potentially one of the best gig apps out there, one of the best solutions that are available to help you with making money doing kind of hands-on general labor type of work. There are some jobs on here that don't require you to be there on site or that aren't as hands-on oriented, but I would say those are kind of the main top core services that are provided here on Taskrabbit, where you can make a lot of money helping other people. And that's ultimately what it comes down to. That's the name of the game, is the value that you can bring to the table for other people, how you can be helpful for them. Now, I came here to Google, of course, world's #1 search engine, the best top place to go when you're trying to find the answer to something. When you have a question, we all go to Google, and you may have seen this, maybe not, but this is from Career Karma, and it says, how much can you actually make on TaskRabbit? According to Glassdoor, you can make as little as $15 per hour to as high as $75 per hour. And other, websites, other sources will give you slightly different variations of that 15 to 75 that we just read. So up here it says $22 to $62 per delivery project. So that's specifically referring to delivery jobs. $62 is the high point, $22 is the low point there. Down here it says the average tasker earns about $110 a month. Now there are a lot of just different numbers and stats that are thrown out there, and they're all slightly different and tweaked because they are probably based on different components, and they're touching on slightly different questions. I mean, the average, how much the average makes compared to the median amount, compared to what the average hourly rate is. All those are different numbers, and they're going to give you different numbers, different figures and whatnot. But ultimately, from where I stand, I mean, I can't tell you, exactly how much you can make on TaskRabbit. I've produced videos sharing with you stories about other taskers who have made six figures, so who have made over $100,000, some who have made over $70,000, I mean a handful of stories where individuals have made over six figures from work they've done here on TaskRabbit. So I mean, you can probably, go and do the math really if you want to, but ultimately know that people have made $100,000 here. And yeah, you get a nice really wide gap, $15 per hour up to $75 per hour, which, my rate right now is considered low, and I'm at about 75. For me, this is the lowest I pretty much will put it. And ultimately now I'm doing it, and I have another video diving into it, but because of my performance rating, and I do want to get back my elite badge and things like that. Again, I have another video diving into it. So ultimately, with your price point, everyone's different, services are different. There are strategies and techniques where it's not just based on your hourly rate. And I'm not going to elaborate on that too much here right now, but just continue watching my videos, and I do try to share a lot of content with you guys that will help you with making more money, especially here on TaskRabbit. So if you guys want to hear more about that, consider checking out this video next. And while you're waiting, or before you do, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more videos about making, managing, and growing your money, especially on TaskRabbit.